viewers, Madam Sophie here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. I know I haven't been on here for a while. I know school has been coming in the way. It's really been keeping me occupied, but I'm back. I'm here. I made sure I did everything I needed to do so I can take some time to give my YouTube channel some tender love and care. You know, my YouTube channel is my baby and I can't forget about it. So I'm back again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. I hope that everyone is having a fabulous, fantastic summer. And basically this is what this eyeshadow look is kind of inspired by. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this burnt orange summery eyeshadow look, stay tuned. And if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Thank you for tuning in so much, as your time here on my channel is very valuable to me. To my regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. I value your support and thank you for being here again. For this eyeshadow look, just wanted to let you know I will be using the E.L.F 18 Hit Wonders eyeshadow palette. I believe that this eyeshadow palette has been out for about 4, 6 months now, 4, 5, 6 months now. So I just wanted to come and do an eyeshadow tutorial using the E.L.F 18 Hit Wonders eyeshadow palette. Now me and E.L.F, we go way back. We go way back in, I want to say 2010, 2011. Most of the makeup that I had in my collection in 2010, 11, 12 was by E.L.F Cosmetics. Love the eyeshadows in this palette. I did not do a swatch of each of the colors, but the colors that I used for this eyeshadow tutorial, they did not fail. They did not come to play. They showed up and they showed out. Okay, you can't miss them. And I really love the way this look came out. Just to kind of test the color in this eyeshadow palette, I went on and I used the pink, well not the pink, the purple and the blue in this eyeshadow palette, and I can still see the colors. The colors are still popping. What I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow tutorial is called the Benefit Batgirl. The Benefit Batgirl Bang. The Benefit Batgirl Bang mascara. This is what I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow tutorial. This is the mascara that I used for it, and I really love the way my lashes look. So enough chatter. Now before you go on to watch that tutorial, honeys, I really want you to subscribe, drop a like, comment, and hit that bell. That bell I'm talking about is right next to that subscribe button. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell before you go on to watch this tutorial, because I know that you're gonna love it. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Again, I'm just reminding you, just in case you forgot. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this video. Okay, Sophia, so that is going to be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the look I came up with. You guys love the look I came up with. It is summery, but not too colorful summery. It is toned down summery. It is a low-key summery. So I hope that you guys love this low-key summery look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And it's very important for you to subscribe because you are a sophisticated lady. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to my regular viewers, thank you for all that you do. Thank you for tuning in again this time around. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.